How to fix low memory warning on Roblox in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, click on general. In general, scroll down in last and here you can see the option shutdown. After shut down your device, then restart it. Restart your device, it will fix minor glitches. Now close all the background apps. If you have open background apps, then close. It will help to lose your memory. And after that, open settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now here you can put unused apps to offload like that. Now click on offload app. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.